Stomach secret survival hack. Your stomach is so hardcore, it rebuilds itself with a fresh lining every few days just to survive its own acid. That acid is strong enough to dissolve metal, but your body's got a trick up its sleeve to keep you safe. If your stomach didn't replace its lining constantly, you'd basically digest yourself from the inside out. Each time you eat, your stomach cells are busy not just breaking down food, but also racing to patch up any damage caused by that super corrosive acid. This process is non-stop, old cells die off and new ones take their place, all in a matter of days. It's like a biological construction site that never shuts down, so your digestive system can keep working without melting away. So next time you think your stomach's just sitting there, remember it's actually performing a high-stakes balancing act, rebuilding itself faster than the acid can burn it through.